Over here waiting on an order with DoorDash. It drives me crazy when stuff just be like slowing down. Like, dang, dude, I was on a roll and now y'all just stop. Huh? But y'all, I do a mukbang today. I'm thinking of doing it on my lunch. I brought my lunch today, which I usually try to bring and meal prep. I'm trying to be healthier, y'all. Okay, healthier and lose some of this weight that I didn't put on. So I meal prep me a good salad, a big old salad. It's a big old bowl. But the good thing with salads is that you can have a whole lot of it and it's not a lot of calories. Like a big old bowl of green salad, like 3-4 cups would be like 20 or 40 calories. And then put some protein in it. I put some shredded chicken. I had made some chicken at home, shredded it up, seasoned it, and I put that in here with some onions, some sweet onions. Cut some sweet onions up. I put a little bit of cheese. I put some avocado and cilantro. Okay? And then, look what I got at the store. A perfect little container to put your dressing. I got it at the grocery store. And it's squeezable. It's soft. So you can squeeze the stuff out. And guess what, y'all? It holds the exact amount that I wanted. I literally measured it out. Because I wanted 4 tablespoons of my dressing. So I was literally putting, with a measuring spoon, 4 tablespoons in this little container. And I kid you not, it filled it up. So now I don't gotta measure no more because I know this is 4 tablespoons. So yeah, it's so cute, y'all. Look at it up close. And it's all squeezable. So yeah, y'all. I brought my stuff. I also brought a nectarine, like a half a cup of grapes and some cashews. But I ate that already. I ate the cashews, grapes, and nectarine not too long ago. So I'm just showing y'all, this is my main thing, but I brought my main thing to eat. Oh, I put eggs in here too, y'all. Forgot. I put eggs. I put 2 eggs. So with the 2 eggs in the shredded chicken, that's a lot of protein right there. So it'll keep you full. But I'm going to save this for a little later since I just finished eating my my grapes and nectarines and my cashews. My cashews was the 100-calorie pack. The little 100-calorie pack. So, yeah. I just snacked on all that. So I will eat this a little later. Because that's kind of like the last thing I have for the day. Kind of, because when I get home, I have some yogurt. And that'll be it. So pretty much what I eat throughout the day, I bring it with me. So yeah, if I do a mukbang on that, it will be healthy. It won't be no Burger King or no KFC, okay? It'll be a healthy mukbang. So, but maybe I'll do that later. And yeah, I'll add it to this video. But y'all, why am I not getting an order? I need my money. Oh, I think one just came through. Oh, it just came through, y'all. Let me get that. Bye. All right, y'all. I am back. I have like 10 minutes to hurry up and try to eat this salad because I keep getting orders. I'm in the middle of an order now. I'm finna pick up at Red Robin. If y'all can see behind me, Red Robin RR. So let me hurry up and try to eat some of this salad, y'all. Let me put this jacket on my lap because I got some pants on that if something spill on them, that wouldn't be nice. And y'all, here's my my neon colored safety vest for Amazon when I work at Amazon. So never mind that. But yeah, let me try to grub on this real quick. And it's getting dark, y'all, and it's gonna storm. It's like dark as crap and thunder and rain deals. But here's my salad, y'all. I know it's kind of all smushed in the bowl, but that's my salad. There's an egg on the side, the meat and the cheese, avocado. And I don't know if y'all ever heard, but avocado, you know how it turns brown? Well, to prevent it from turning brown, you're supposed to put lemon juice on it, and it prevents it from turning, black and brown. So I don't know how well it worked. Well, it don't work too well because that's like, it has black and brown on it. But guess what? It's gonna get ate. So y'all, here's my little container, the little salad container with the salad dressing. Put that on it. Yeah, I'm rushing, y'all, so I'm sorry. I have like no time. I'm running out of time, y'all, so excuse me. I'm rushing. But I wanted to capture some of this. For the video since I started it. I said I want to finish it before it gets dark. And y'all can't even see my stuff because of the position. Is this in the way too? Oh, I think this is all in the way too. I'm just a mess. But y'all, this salad is gonna be off the chain. Okay. I got to get a few bites before I continue my dash. It's so good. Really good. Sorry, I got a message. But yeah, so I've been on my health kit this week, and today's Wednesday, so I've been eating my salads and stuff. And as of today, I'm down 4 pounds. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, I mean, oops. I'm flicking stuff, y'all. So, but yeah, y'all, it's about the storm. What's so weird is, this is so weird, y'all. I look to the side of me, and it's like, it looks like it's raining right next to me. But it's not raining on me, like where I'm at. But right next to me, it looks like it's like pouring down. That's so weird. That is so weird. Y'all, I'm not even playing. Like, I kid you not. It looks like it's pouring down right on both sides of me, but not on me. That don't make no sense. I have seen it happen in my small town where I'm from. It would be raining on one side of town and not the other. I've seen that happen before, and it's like, what? How crazy? This is so good. Okay? If y'all want me to make y'all a salad, it'll be $10. $10 and I'll make you a salad. Okay? I'm sure you will love it. So freaking yummy. So I boiled my chicken. I got chicken tenders, like little chicken tender breast pieces, and I boiled it. And in my water, I put like seasoning. This is crazy. A storm is coming. I need to get home. But yeah, let me hurry up and eat this. But I put seasoning in my water as I boiled the meat, and I kind of put a good amount so it could really stick. So when I got it out of the water, I could see the seasoning on the meat. And then I shredded it up, and I put a little extra seasoning on it, some garlic and onion powder, and then it's thundering, y'all. Oh, Lord, no. But then I shredded it, and I put a little barbecue sauce, and that's what's up in here. That's cilantro. If y'all ain't had cilantro in your salad, you should try it. It gives it an awesome taste. That's for the people who like cilantro. If you don't like it, then I don't know what to tell you. This is so bomb. And it's cheaper than going to buy individual salads because they be pricey, okay? But being healthy is expensive, period. So even buying your own stuff gets a little pricey, but it's so much cheaper than going to buy a salad that's already made in the store. That's why I say, if y'all want me to make y'all a salad, it'll be $10. But, girl, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so freaking hungry. And I don't have time to eat. That's another hard thing about dashing and trying to bring something to eat healthy, because it's so easy to grab something unhealthy that you just grab and eat on the go. So I'm not finished, but I have to go. Like, I have to get this order. So, but y'all, that salad is bomb, and y'all should get one of these salad dressing holders. They're really great. Okay, they don't leak either, because I had a container I was putting my stuff in, a little container, a little square deal, and it would be leaking. This don't. But y'all, let me go. I have to get this order, gotta drop it off, and before it starts storming. So I'll holla at y'all. Bye.